Well, good morning, YouTube. Old Hippie here, coming to you from Oak Grove Boat Ramp here on Smith Mountain Lake. We're going to try and get something to bring you a smile today. Hope you're liking what you're seeing. Thanks for clicking on. If you would, give me a subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you feel like doing. Don't cost you a dime. Anyway, we'll get you back on. We'll get some action on. We appreciate y'all, tight lines, and God bless. Stay with him, Cam. Stay with him, buddy. There you go. There you go. That'd be good enough to get skunk off. You ever see them, George? I'm on. I'm on. Come off. Dad, burn it. Yep. He hit it on the fall. I mean, it just dead stopped. I picked it up. He was stuck. Yeah, real encouraging. Oh, crap. James, if you want to know how this little rod's going to do, you see what it's doing. I'm able to handle him with one hand. That's on that little spoon. Huh? That's on that little spoon. That little war eagle. He's going to run like hell when he sees this boat. I don't think he's come alive yet. I was almost out of line. These don't hold no line. I ain't lying. I was looking at my spool when he took off. We're drifting away, ain't we? I gotta sit down. I gotta sit down. He's still got quite a ways to go yet. He's run up in that other line. Oh crap. He's a gooder. Oh Lord. Have mercy. God almighty. Yeah. I thought we'll sort it out when we get them up here. Got to get it up here first. All right, you're clear. Oh, he's not though. Good Lord. Gaining a little bit now. Gaining a little bit. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Captain George. He ain't no donkey. You know what? I'm tickled to have him. I'm tickled to have him. Hey! You little that little chrome spoon. I got some pliers up there somewhere. If I get the hook out of him, I will.
Hung up in the net.
Settle down, buddy. We don't want him to get away, do we? Not bad. Not bad talk. Blind hog, big find acre. War Eagle. War Eagle. That's pretty much what Cam was using right there, ain't it?
Yeah.
This ain't a big enough reel though. I was out of line. I was looking at the spool before I started winding up, but I was trying to get it as deep as I could. I didn't crank about 3 times, man. He run it all the way back down the spool again. I thought, oh, this ain't gonna end well.